This is the employee information form. Okay, look at here. This is the edited option. Okay, and this is the delete option, and this is the also delete option with a checkbox. Okay, if you want to edit this, just click on here and edit the name. Okay, now click on update. See here, edited successfully, and thank you. Go back, and this is the update has okay, which is edited. Now, if you want to delete this, just click on here. The item is deleted. This is also deleted. Or if you want to delete using your checkbox, click on here. So I want to delete the three items. Now click on delete. The three item will be deleted. Okay. Yes. Okay. So this is the simple Django information form.